Hello everyone, welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert. Today we're going to have a look at the Petromax RF33 rocket stove, and I am looking forward to getting this going somewhere in the field. Not bothered where. Might have to go and fire it up in the garden at some point if I don't go, but I am off to the bottom end of the Clyn Peninsula at the end of this week, so maybe we'll give it a try there. We'll see how we're fixed. Anyway, let's open the box and see what we've got inside. So it's taped up here. So let's open the tape up. Brand new, never looked at this yet. Cardboard. It's a Petromax RF33 user manual. Some packing foam and a bag. So look at that, that looks fantastic, doesn't it? So this bit at the top is cast iron. There's a door here for, not quite sure, I'm going to have to read the instructions here. There is some handles. I know these go on either side. There's two handles there. I will fit those. It's like the filling tray, I think. It goes up and you've got to look further back. So you've got the door open and the wood goes in through there, or any other combustible material that you're using. You can have this door down here closed. What it does is it sucks air in from two different places, and it's very efficient in the way it burns the material inside, and so therefore it generates a lot of heat going up through here. This is insulated. It's got an insulated thing, and it's called a rocket stove because the flames roar up here. You've got your pot on the top, your Petromax frying pan or skillet, or your Dutch oven. You can cook away quite well there, so I'm looking forward to using that. Now what I did have plans to do at some point is to, oops, it's flying away, is to use it with the FS56 fireball over the top and sit it on the top, so I've got a huge area to cook on. So we'll see if that works. I think that it will require the extension legs for the fireball for it to sit high enough over the top. But definitely looking forward to using this. So watch this space. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.